Hey everybody, I wanted to hop on here for a few minutes and talk about a subject associated with clearing your criminal record. That is an expunction. Let's talk about what is an expunction. Now, if you like what you're going to hear today, if you like the content that we're providing here at the Hampton Law Firm on our YouTube channel, I encourage you to subscribe to our YouTube channel and for more great free content, plenty of videos for you to refer and look to know everything related to Texas criminal law. All right, so today I want to explain the ins and outs of an expunction. What is it? How does it work? And how do you know if you qualify for one? What are the specific steps I need to take in order to make sure that I can get it completed? Now, what if you aren't sure if you qualify for an expunction because maybe you lost your court paperwork? We'll cover all of those points in the video here today. And if you wait around to the end of the video, I will give you a free resource, a free ebook, what to do if you are charged with a crime in Texas. So I encourage you, wait around to the end. All right, let's jump right in. So I still see my criminal arrest on my record. My case was dismissed. Can I get an expunction? More importantly, what is an expunction? So there's much confusion over what an expunction actually is. In fact, in a previous video that I did through our YouTube channel, I talked about the fact that just because your case has been dismissed, it does not automatically get removed from your record. Many people are confused by that. They don't realize that. Now we need to understand what an expunction is. So an expunction is a complete and total destruction of all records associated with your criminal incident. Literally the arrest records, all court paperwork, everything associated with the case pertaining to the arrest and the case itself. Literally, you are permitted under an expunction to deny that the incident ever took place. It now becomes a legal fiction. And what that means is both law enforcement and any potential employers or any private person out there that tries to run your background will see nothing because it ceases to exist. Now, there are three possible ways that you qualify for an expunction. Number one, if your case was dismissed. If your case was dismissed, you are eligible for an expunction. Number two, a not guilty verdict in a jury trial. There you are immediately eligible for an expunction. And then number three, if you completed, whether you started off as a Class C citation, like a public intoxication or an assault by contact, whether it started off as a Class C citation or if it was dropped to the lesser charge of a Class C and you received deferred adjudication, upon completion of that deferred, you are eligible for an expunction under that scenario too. So number one, case dismissed. Number two, not guilty verdict by a jury or a bench trial in front of a judge or a jury. And then number three, a completion of a Class C deferred under a Class C ticket. All right, now let's assume you qualify for an expunction. Here's another thing that people don't realize. How long do you have to wait before you can file? There's a mandatory waiting period for most situations. Let's talk about what they are. Number one, let's say you handled your case under a felony. If it was a felony case and your case was no bill by a grand jury. In that scenario, you must wait 3 years to get it removed from your record. Number two, what if your felony case was just straight up dismissed? If your felony case was straight up dismissed, you must wait either 3 years or the statute of limitations. So it's either a minimum of the 3 years or some types of higher level felonies, the statute of limitations is longer than that. You have to wait longer. So that's one example. Then number three, what if you were arrested on a felony case, felony warrant, but a case was never filed? So for felony cases where they were never actually filed, you have to wait 3 years or the statute of limitations, but it's calculated from the date of your arrest. Okay, I know this is a lot of information. And then number four, misdemeanor crimes. So for misdemeanor crimes, Class B and Class A misdemeanors, you must wait 2 years from the date of the actual dismissal. Then Class C tickets, deferred. On Class C tickets where you received deferred adjudication, you're eligible for an expunction immediately upon completion of the deferred. Finally, there's diversion programs. If you were accepted and you successfully completed a diversion program, you may be immediately eligible for an expunction under that scenario. Now, how do you do it? That's the next point. People don't understand, what are you supposed to do? How do you file? What's the process? Now, I'm going to talk to you about it now related to Tarrant County, but just understand this. If you're looking to get an expunction in Tarrant County, you must pay a $425 filing fee to Tarrant County. Even if you try to do it all on your own, Tarrant County is going to charge you a $425 filing fee. Most counties in Texas charge some filing fee. Secondly, you must then file a petition for expunction, and then there must be an actual hearing where you go in front of a felony district judge. That judge will then sign off on the orders to have it removed from your record. Then you must take those orders and serve them upon all the agencies that were involved in your case. All right, now, what if you don't know how your case was resolved? What if you've lost your paperwork and you don't know whether or not you qualify for not? I want to encourage you to give us a call. If your case was in Dallas County, Tarrant County, if you were in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, give us a call at the Hampton Law Firm at 817-877-5200, and we can confirm for you whether or not you qualify for an expunction. Listen, if your case was dismissed or you're eligible for an expunction, you deserve to make sure it's handled right. Get your life back. Start over. Give us a call, 817-877-5200. Thanks. Have a good day.